So I'm having trouble with the microwave, and what it'll do, light comes on, fan does not run, it does not heat, the light just comes on. Time counts down, turntable does not turn. And so what I found, took the little, this is a built-in microwave, and of course it would be similar issue I guess on a non-built-in, but this actually makes it even easier to fix. Took the trim off, screw right here, took that out. Once I took that out, I was able to lift this panel up. Oh, come on. Once that panel was up, I started checking these switches. These are the door switches, and it looks like there's 3 switches. And so if you put your voltmeter on, of course, like I said, I've got this thing unplugged. So we're going to test this one. Now when we close the door, that switch is good. So let's test the next one up. That one's good. What about this top one? Uh-oh. Open the door. Didn't change. So, let's take this switch out. We got this little plastic clip right here. Sorry, the dishwasher's running. And then just pull it your way, and it pops out. So now with the switch out, let's test it. So I'm gonna just push the switch on and off. We got nothing. It doesn't even feel right. It feels very stuck, I'm gonna say. It should have a nice spring to it. It definitely feels broken. So, went out and looked, and I just so happened to have this switch. Now, this one actually has, see, it's got a nice feel to it. Nice click. This one does nothing. This one actually has the normally closed position, or normally open. Yeah, normally open position, normally closed. Yeah, normally closed, normally open, and the common. And so what we need to do is only connect the normally open. And I'll put me a piece of heat shrink tubing over that just to cover it up. So let me go do that, just so that's not sticking out. That's better. So now we've got this new switch ready to go in, and I did go ahead and loosen these wires off. What they've got is a little clip. You can see that little tab right there, right at the end. You need to push down on that. That locks in this hole in the terminal to keep these wires from coming off. So I'm gonna go ahead and slip those off of there and slip them on the new one. Alright, wires are in. So now what we need to do is just slip this up in there. There's a little post, you can see right there, that this hole goes on. So when we push this up in there, that should go in there. Just like that. So that switch is in. And if we check, of course the door's open right now. Alright. Now if we close the door, check it again. It's really good. So, in real time here, still got to put that screw in, but we're going to test it first. Plug the microwave back in. Light came on because the door's open. Light went off. You can hear it running. Turntable's going. It's working. Microwave is fixed. So what I'll actually do, I'm going to order a couple more of these. Actually, I'll probably, because I only had the one, I'll probably actually order some like the one I had that are have the normally closed and normally open position on them, and I can keep them because you find these in all kinds of different stuff, and I'd prefer to have it more universal than just the specific one, and because those other two switches have just as much wear as this one does, so you know they're probably on their way out as well. The other thing you could do, you can see that terminal there, the end of it. All they did is they make these and then they probably just cut the end off, but anyway. So, easy fix, and cost to me for that, $0. I don't remember where the switch came from, but if you had to buy the switch, you're probably talking a couple bucks. Just in case you need part numbers or specs. Made in Korea. So, thanks for watching.